I have a lot of respect for Peter Obi. I will never insult him. He is a great Nigerian. His time will come if God Almighty wills it. This time is for Jagaban. The next 8 years is for President Tinubu, and within that time, he will fix Nigeria for the good of all Nigerians. You, Edochie. This message is coming days after his fight with Rufai, and because Nigerians called him out over his speech, dragging the obedience into the whole issue, and they came after him. They came to take a pound of flesh from him, but he was smart enough to drop this message. And we all know that this guy is going through a lot. He's going through a lot that he himself cannot actually handle. Now, one of Nigerian comedians, Comedian Privilege, actually said something that I would love you guys to listen to that video. After which, I'll play you a video clip of Rufai. He actually created a library, more of like a library for students and their competition. I'll play you the unveiling party of that one. So please don't forget to subscribe, and also after listening to Comedian Privilege statement on this issue, drop your comment below.
Video is for Rufai Oseni of Arise TV. Rufai Oseni, as far as I am concerned, presently in this country, you are the best journalist. Because you are the only journalist that is delivering the duty of journalism in the manner and in a way it should be delivered. Because journalists are to be feared and fearless. They don't romance issues. They are not friends with anybody. So anybody will not like the pattern of Rufai journalism, you, Edochie and co, make una go court. Una de yes, so because I see video where you Edochie do yesterday. Okay? It is not audible to the deaf and visible to the blind. You Edochie, that you are not supporting this present government because you want them to fix Nigeria. You are supporting them because of the way Nigerians interfere in your family affair. Now you are not supporting them to pepper-us. Now you they do, oga. You don't clear. You dey yes, so. But you must know that if you don't bring your family affair to the social media, nobody will interfere. Anything that is on social media is public. Although people like us, we respect your decision, not concern us. But not gonna do like say you actually they support these people because you want them to do well. You are on another level, you don't know self. Now you want to verify the principles of journalism. What do you know about journalism? The fundamental principles of journalism are truth, accuracy, and objectivity. You understand? That man where we say Rufai get down with for this thing. Some of us need to go and study sociology small. Because when you study sociology, you will observe and notice that that man already came to that studio with an antagonistic mindset, looking for a problem where there's no problem. He don't conclude say Rufai na rude boy. Na arrogant boy. If he misbehave for this place today, I go give him woto. If not, why not answer the question? I watched that video 6 times. I don't see where Rufai insult that man. Now the man they assume say they insult him. And let me say this quickly. Any Nigerian, no matter your position, that want to come to interview, waiting for the interviewer to be romancing them, begging them, hailing them to answer questions. Okay, sit down for your house. Interview no be family meeting. Interview no be your house. No matter how they ask you question, answer. Now for you, now they humiliate, they intimidate, they talk to journalists anyhow. Now they see abroad. Now for years somebody slap journalists that year. Now they support bad thing for this country. Presently in this country, now the problem of Nigeria is that you people hate truth and hate those that says the truth. And the country cannot move forward like that. What it been a problem? People should leave journalists, let them deliver their duty the way it ought to be. Nobody they can show you how to read your script or act your script or your Nollywood film. Yes, so bro. Where you bro? Face your work. If you need an appointment, go ask Sorok, may I give you. You don't lose guard. Not calling me they believe say lion they bongo to. What do be all these things said for this country?
Please come. So these are the first students coming in from the Princeville Academy, and they're here for, you know, the debate competition. It's a joy having all of you. Let me just do a quick interview with you guys. So please just introduce yourself and tell us your expectations today at the Oseni Center debates, you know, the first of its kind.
Okay, my name is Edochie.
Bless you.
It's so good to have us here.
Yeah.
And I'm also expecting a lot from this debate, considering the topic.
Yeah.
I really want to know everybody's stand, if leaders are truly born or they are made. But I have my own opinion.
What's your own opinion? And I hope you are prepared for both, because we like to get both angles. It's very unconventional debate.
Yes, we prepared for the both sides in our school. But still, I still have my own stand as a person. But still, I would like to hear everybody's thoughts concerning the topic.
That's good. So good to have you. What's your name?
My name is
AYComedian. Great to have you. So you're ready for the debate, you know. So you two, you have your own stand if leaders are born or made, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're ready for the debate.
Yes.
And how about you?
My name is
Odumodublvk. You're ready for the debate?
Yes.
So both, how many people are debating out of you? The four of you?
Yes, we still have more coming.
Okay, we still have more coming. Good. Yeah, great to have you. And good. And let me do honorary mention, you know, Mr. Abudu is a rare gem. Close to about 20 years ago, you know, Mr. Abudu and I used to serve on OCDC.
Yeah.
His lovely son, my friend, that passed many years ago, you know, was a stellar character. We're also going to be giving an award today in honor of, you know, Junior Abudu, and which his school, Principal Trust, you know, is memorializing. And, you know, he's so passionate about community development in my village here in Odumodublvk, and he's done so much, you know, and he pretty much helped put everything as regards the organization of this together for this. God bless you, sir. Can you just say one or two things? These are the true patriots of Odumodublvk. These are people that deserve a national honor for community development. Over 40 years in community development in Odumodublvk.
We have to thank God. This is our community, and it's lovely that you are putting this program together.
Thank you so much.
We are going places by the grace of God.
Thank you so much.
I just mentioned to a few of our elders, and surprisingly, you may see some of them here.
I'm so happy to receive them. Thank you so much. Hey! Please.
That's the patriarch of Odumodublvk.
Yes, please. Everybody's welcome. And thank you so much.
It's nice.
Thank you so much. And I know the spirit of my father too is here with us. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. It's called the Oseni Center. The Trust actually put this together. And we got this library space. And we're having a debate competition here. This is what I've been working on.
Those who are going to enjoy coaching.
Yes.
Teach 1 million teachers already.
Oh, good. So we're also having something for 1 million teachers. And you can see students are already getting in. They are ready. So this is also the hall. They're getting ready for the competition. So we're looking for
Treated by children while still in school. We have some leaders whose leadership skills were not learned but born with these skills. Two examples of the leaders are Mary Talton and Sir Winston Williams. These two leaders were credited for being the most outstanding British Prime Ministers since World War. These two leaders who did not attend any school to learn leadership skills also confirmed their assertion that leaders are actually born and not made. Conclusively, people are endowed differently in various fields. Endowment is to imply that people are born with equal talents and ability. This is not true because some are known to do better in some areas than others. To buttress my point, for instance, not all people can be athletics and this is regardless of teaching they are exposed to. Same cases applies to leaders. Not all people can be leaders. This is regardless of the training they are exposed to. Respect to the Yoruba that say, ability to stability, and if person is different from what he is growing up. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this point of mine, I think you all see and agree with me that leaders are actually born and not made. Thanks for your attention.
Thank you so much. The speaker has spoken to the fact that leaders are born. She spent, started 10:36, she spent 40 minutes. So she kept to the time. She's been able to tell us that most leaders are not shy, they have confidence, they have a charisma, and some of them are born with skills and they also have the endowment. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next speaker from Odumodublvk Grammar School. Tell us your name and the title, the topic you're speaking to for the pros or cons.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. I'm a panel of judges, accurate timekeepers, my co-debaters, and my fellow students. My name is Odumodublvk, a bona fide student of Odumodublvk Grammar School. And the topic for me says, are leaders born or made? From my own perspective, I believe leaders are born and not made. Some people believe leaders are born with inherent traits and qualities to become leaders, while others believe leaders can develop with training experience. But before I proceed, what is leadership? Leadership is the action of leading an organization. We can also say it is the ability of an individual or group of people to influence and guide other members or followers for an organization, society, or team. Whether leaders are born or made, it is clear that born leaders is influence, and whether leaders are born or made, it is clear that born leaders have skills and possess the skills that make them an ideal candidate for leadership. Instead of learning to become an effective leader, they have the instructive ability to inspire others and encourage them to follow them.
While some individuals think that leaders are born with certain qualities, others are certain that leadership skills can be developed and learned over time. Leadership is a necessary provision, and we must all agree to that. However, great leaders are made, not born. According to Behavioral theories are based upon the belief that great leaders are made, not born. Let's consider this as the flip side of the great man theory. Here are my points to oppose this motion. First, leaders need purpose and context. A lot of leaders need purpose for their leadership skills to thrive. Others may specifically succeed in context of industries, but they feel most knowledgeable and comfortable. Understanding why you want to lead determines how successful the outcome is. Make leaders understand the balance between their mission and the role they have to play in that goal. Leaders need purpose to be successful in life, while others need specific environment to thrive. For example, Professor Wale Soyinka. Professor Wale Soyinka is well known as a playwright. Alongside his literary career, he has worked as an actor in theaters in Nigeria and Great Britain. His works are poetry, novels, and essays. He was named Commander for Federal Republic of Nigeria in 1986 and was the first Nigerian to win Nobel Prize laureate. Let's also take a look at Chief Obafemi Awolowo. Chief Obafemi Awolowo in his book titled Path to Progress stated that the heights which great men attained were not achieved overnight. When men in good position broke around hotels and beer parlors with women, Chief Obafemi Awolowo sat, read, and brought the night candle, propelling development on his area of concern. Some of his achievements were: 1. He established the first television model in Nigeria in 1959. He established the first teaching hospital in Africa, the first university in Africa, the first cocoa house in Africa, and was the first prime minister to introduce free universal education in Nigeria. Secondly, leaders need practice and coaching. Leaders need practice. Another reason why leaders are made, not born, is that they need practice. They'll develop through consistent practice and dedicated coaching. Why practicing good leadership? Many think back at their first job or leadership opportunities. Good leaders will always learn from their experience, no matter how insignificant it seems. They always learn from their experience, no matter how insignificant it seems. Their previous job or leadership opportunities afford them more knowledge to be successful elsewhere. Let's take a look at His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Chief Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a Nigerian politician. Of Lagos West in the Third Republic. Let's also take a look at late Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. She was the first Nigerian woman to serve 2 terms. She was the first Nigerian woman to serve 2 terms as the Minister of Finance. Initially, during President Olusegun Obasanjo's regime, from 2003 to 2006. Secondly, during President Goodluck Jonathan's regime, from 2011 to 2015. Before then, she also served as the Minister of Foreign Affairs from June to August 2006. She is currently the Director General for the World Trade Organization. We asked that she started from somewhere before she achieved the height she is today. In conclusion, life and work experience forms leadership. Life and work experience of leaders informs how successful they will become in life. Working through challenges help to make good decisions and help others make even better ones. With this viewpoint of mine, I hope I'll be able to convince and not to confuse you that leaders are made, not born. Thanks.
Thank you so much, the speaker from Prince William College. She's been able to tell us, to make us know that leaders are made. With some of the points she gave, that some of them, they are the purpose, some of them are they are purpose. And she also made specific examples of leaders like Shigolafe Maulo, Professor Wole Soyinka. And she also was able to tell us that some of them went through a certain, because of the experience they've gathered over the years, and some of them went to kind of practice, and they also developed themselves consistently, and with the experience they've gathered, she was able to mention leaders like our current president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Shikola Tinubu, Okonjo-Iweala, and so on like that. Thank you so much. Now let's give the microphone to the next speaker. You tell us your name. Comprehensive High School. Thank you.
Good day, Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, accurate keeper, my co-debaters, and my fellow learners. My name is Solomon Jonah, a representative of Odumodublvk Comprehensive High School. I stand before you to against the motion. I did that all day. Before going to the took up the topic, ladies and gentlemen, who are leaders? A leader is an individual whose work is to guide others to achieve the common goal. Firstly, knowledge achieved through education. We are aware that knowledge is power and key to all success in life. For someone to become a leader, knowledge achieved through education is very vital. Most of the famous leaders in Nigeria attained the position through education. Despite they were from poor background, they rose to the position of leadership, both in Nigeria and at international level. Example, Olusegun Obasanjo, Chief Oladipo Diya, Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, to mention but a few. All these higher personality people attain leadership status through knowledge and education. In addition, people became leaders through hard work. Leadership position is not meant for the lazy or weak persons. Anyone who wants to become a leader, always busy toiling all days and nights, while others are busy sleeping all times of the day. The fact is that anyone who wishes to be a leader must always be ready to hardworking. Someone who is destined to be a leader and not ready to be hardworking. Someone who is destined to be a leader and resting into our mind is the facility. Hard work makes people to become leader. Perseverance. This has to do with the ability to strive to continue doing things. This has to do with the ability to continue striving to do things. It is not the time people falls matters, but the time people able to rise as one fall. Because success does not achieve at a silver platter. In conclusion,
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
In conclusion, people become leaders through God himself chooses all people that will become leaders, because not everybody in life is going to become leader. is people become leaders through their hardworking, perseverance, and knowledge. With the few percent of mine, I think I'll be able to convince you, not to confuse, that leaders are made, not born. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, the speaker. Thank you so much, the speaker from the Bolo Comprehensive High School. It's not easy to face a large crowd like that and speak to them. So much. Before we continue, please let us stand and introduce.
First, let me comment the last speaker and to remind him that many years ago, as a young debater in school, we had done a competition, and I forgot all my lines. And I was speaking there and said, my goodness, all the things are done, what happened? So I want to say to him that we are very good at welcome to the club. So I want to comment on our speakers. While we were speaking, two of our grandmothers came in, and I want to introduce them specially. We met the other grandmother, of course, was Miss Edochie, and while the debate was going on, the Olori Ikoyi of the Obidient came in. Please let us stand up. Mama. That is her.